Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Waugh Hill towards Waugh Hill, St. Catherine Parish. We are driving on Sligoville Road, entering St. Catherine Parish. A few meters to the left, you can find James Mount Cave. Approximately here is the St. Andrew and St. Catherine Parish border. So we have left St. Andrew Parish and we are now driving in St. Catherine Parish. Entering Waugh Hill. We are also in the Santa Maria area. The road on the right is Bamboo Way, and that road will take you into Waugh Hill District towards Waugh Hill Basic School and Waugh Hill Square. The road on the left will take you towards Nethersole Pit 2. Nethersole Pit 2 is registered as a cave. On the right is Spicy Grove Road, which will also take you into Waugh Hill District towards Waugh Hill Baptist Church and Waugh Hill Square. Entering Trentham Park. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.